Hey, what's up, happy people? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Thank you for tuning in my channel. My brother just came in town during the July 4th holiday. He brought me some wild bird given by a friend of his. He was told they were duck, but to me they were more like a dove or quail, given the size of the bird. But anyway, one thing is certain, they are wild caught. Today I'm going to use this bird to make smoked wild bird. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Let's get started. These are the birds I'm talking about. If anyone knows what they are, please leave me a comment. First, marinate the birds with 5 spice powder and salt. Leave the birds overnight in the fridge. This chicken broth is left from my last video of smoked chicken. For how to make the original chicken broth, please refer to that video. After marination, wash off the powder from the birds. Add the bird into the chicken broth and cook for about 2 hours under medium heat. After 2 hours cooking, place the bird on a rack. To smoke the birds, you need a quarter cup sugar, quarter cup rice, and 2 bags of tea. Place the aluminum foil on the bottom of the wok and place the rack in the wok. Heat up the wok on high heat. When you see smoke coming out from the wok, start your timer. After 90 seconds, turn off the heat and let the wok sitting for 3 minutes. Here are the birds after smoking. Finally, apply some sesame oil to the birds to make it shining and tasty. This is smoked wild bird I'm talking about. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support motivates me to produce more and better quality videos. Thank you for watching. Until next time, you take care.